What's going on, everybody? So a while ago I had seen somebody post something about a company called GloveBox Detail, and obviously when it comes to detailing products I'm interested. It sparked my curiosity a little bit, and you know that there's this big craze going around with monthly boxes and whatnot, so I was like, okay, well this might be one of those monthly boxes that I'm actually into. So I reached out to them and I basically asked them a couple simple questions. Is there a good variety? Is there a blend? What's the general gist of the product? So, you know, I messaged them about that, and out of nowhere I got a message back after we were done talking. It was like really random, and they said, hey, you know what, we'd love to send you a box. So let me just go out and say this right away. I'm not sponsored or affiliated, and what I'm about to open, this is the first time opening it. You'll see it's still packaged the way they would ship it. I waited to open this. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what's in this box. I feel like if it's a good company, then why not highlight them a little bit, and we'll see where it goes. What's cool about this and what I like about this company is it's not just one product. So it's not like, you know, the whole sponsor thing. It's not one of those situations. Again, me being a clever little lad, I forgot my little thing that connects to the thing to put this on a flipping tripod. So we're gonna just do this by hand. So I already cut the bottom part open so that I could stick my thumb in there and pull. And we're just gonna check out what this looks like when you open it. Like an unbox therapy session, only he's a lot cooler than I am. Okay, we've got a handwritten letter. That's pretty cool. So that's very cool. Personal touch. I like that. That's more than likely the owner's name, and I have no idea. Maybe that's two people. Cool. So this is let me stand up for this because, you know, I'm a short send when it comes to sitting down. So as you can see, oh boy, it's unraveling. So there's a covering here and a covering here. Now this is the only thing that's gonna annoy me, because what the flippin' hell. God damn it. That's okay. It's gonna keep things from destroying. That's okay. We'll be okay. Okay, so let's just start pulling out stuff. Here we go. The first little thing, we've got a little sample size of Adams Polishes glass cleaner. I have used this before. It is good, but as I mentioned in other videos, there are bulk options. But if you like this, it's a very good glass cleaner, and it flashes really well. Now here's what I am very interested in. Now here's why I feel like this box, this monthly subscription, is going to be worth it. This is something I've never seen before. So this product is from a company called Stay Clean Car Care from 2012. So I guess they've been around and I just don't know. But what's cool is they put little focus, there you go. They put little like charts here. So apparently this gives you lots of suds and lots of gloss and not as much cleaning. So this says superior foaming suds, foam gun compatible, pH neutral. I like pH neutral and I like foam gun compatible. This is just a good enough size to test the foam gun. So, you know, what we're going to do in this video, like I said, is just to introduce you to this product. I'm going to be doing other videos on more detailing products. So what I'll do in the future videos is I'll be, you know, putting these to the test, trying some things out, doing little product demos, I guess, you know, in the driveway, you know, one-on-one type stuff, not sponsored type stuff. I'll let you know if this stuff sucks, and it is what it is. But what I like is that you're being introduced to things that I've never heard of or seen. This is pretty cool. So let's see what else. Okay, well there's a logo I know. This is from the rag company. It is called the Smitten glass mitt. So this, I've actually seen this on their website and didn't get it. So basically, well, we're gonna have to open this up. Okay, well this is kind of cool. It covers my big ass bear paw. And oh, you know what's freaking awesome about this? If you're cleaning the inside of the windows, I don't know if any of you have ever had this problem, but sometimes like I'm reaching in and I'm like, shit, you know, I can't keep my hand on the actual mitt. It's falling down, or it'll fall out of my hands when I'm like trying to like jank it in there, and get it done, and my bare hand will end up touching the glass when I didn't want that to happen. So this keeps it nice, safe, and secure. So it's got a waffle weave set up here and a more plush, soft microfiber side on this end. And you basically just stick your hand in there. That's a pretty cool thing, and I'm excited to try that. So this box is turning out to be something pretty sweet. Okay, so we've got a foam applicator pad. I mean, there's really nothing, you know, groundbreaking about this, but they are handy. Obviously, these are a cool thing to have. Okay, here we go. More stuff. Let's see. More stuff from the Rag Company. I've bought just about every towel from the Rag Company, but the one I haven't bought yet was the Eagle Edgeless. And here we go, a flippin' Eagle Edgeless towel. So let's open this up real quick and see what this looks and feels like. I'm gonna go on record and say I'm not personally a fan of microfibers that have that shag feel, like the longer nap microfibers. I'm not a big fan of them. I actually have tons of them that I've bought over the years and tried, and there's just something about the longer nap stuff that I'm not a big fan of. But this is definitely cool because I know they're a very popular towel, and that's fine. So, I mean, you're getting a premium towel because most, if not all, of the towels on the Rag Company, they're premium. They're premium scents. So that's freaking awesome. Alright, so we still got two more things in this box. So right here is a bottle of Micro Restore Microfiber Detergent Concentrate. So, you know what's cool about this 4-ounce sample is I actually use this product quite often. I actually have the container here, as well as a gallon to keep refilling this. It's got a little measuring top. So, what's so cool about this product, this box, this setup, is that you're going to get to try things because you might not want to spend money on the actual thing, but here you go, 4-ounce sample. This is so cool. It's a freaking paint sealant. This is like one of those, like, I've actually watched videos. Detailer's Domain was using it a lot. A couple YouTubers that I follow detailing wise that use this product, and I guess it's going to be worth trying out. Now, I have a coating on my car, so I probably won't be doing this on my car, but I've got tons of cars around me from my car club and my wife's vehicle. So this could be something that we'll test out in the future. See this goddamn light. This damn light is creating a situation here. Alright, so, basically this is a freaking cool thing. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, this box is pretty cool. I'm going to continue receiving this box. So I'm sure I'll do like little box openings each month. And we'll just throw it up on the channel. I'm going to try to find a way to test some of these products. I'm definitely interested in testing out that foam shampoo, but obviously I have Micro Restore. I can vouch for that. It's pretty cool. I want to try Sonax, but, what are you going to do? I'm going to have to do it on the wife's vehicle. This glass mitt and the glass cleaner, I'll do a little video. Obviously, it's a good glass cleaner. Quality products. Quality products, as far as I know. The only wild card is going to be that shampoo, but we're going to test it out. Who knows? It could be mind-blowing, and it could be a good value shampoo. So this is where this box is going to come in handy. Basically, the whole premise behind this, so that you can get an idea of what's going on, this is their website right here. So you get a monthly subscription, and it's $24.99. So you're going to get about $50 worth of products from, what they feel is good stuff, Then you get exclusive discount codes and educational materials. So I'm guessing some months they're going to have something. I mean, I don't know. I don't even want to speak about it. I don't even have an idea yet. I mean, I'm going to learn as you guys learn because I just opened this up. But so far, I'm impressed. I like it. Their back and forth communication is very good. I just emailed them this morning about something, and I got an email back almost instantaneously, and it's Saturday. So that's pretty sweet. They obviously care about their business. They are writing handwritten cards, and basically they tell... What? I didn't even check the back. How freaking cool is this? So on the back they tell you what the menu is. This is so cool. Okay, So, Stay Clean Car Care, Bath, Atom Polishes, Glass Cleaner, Sonax, Wizards Products. It's a, okay, so that's not their applicator. It's a 4-inch applicator from Wizards Products. And then they've got 20% off all of the products, I guess, at that company too. This is really cool, guys. So, that microfiber, you can go and use that 10% code, GloveBox10, at the rag company and get 10% off. This is pretty cool. They're giving you discount codes. So there's your discount codes on the back of that. Well, here's another discount code. If you go onto the GloveBox Detail site on their Instagram, in their bio, they're going to have a link to their actual website. So if you're on Instagram, go that way. Otherwise, either way, I'm going to put a link to their actual website below in the description. So you go down there and you sign up for this. You're going to get 25% off if you use code OCD. What a freaking magical code, right? 25% off of $24.99. So basically, you're going to get a bigger discount off of the already half cut in price. And then you're going to get $50 worth of products in a nicely packed box. I'm not a huge fan of this, but, you know, that's just me being an honest kind of guy. I hate that stuff. But there it is. Presentation-wise, I give it an A+. I like it. I'm going to try these products out. Most of them I already know. I'm excited to see about that. I'll see what I feel about it. I mean, maybe I'll actually give it a real good go this time. That's exciting. And so far, I'm impressed. If you are into this kind of stuff and you want to sign up for a little box thing, go for it. If not, I don't know. I was just bringing it to you guys. But each month, I'll just do a quick opening and I'll see what's in the box. What's in the box? Okay, that was enough. You know it was coming. You had to know it was coming. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment, leave a like, leave me something. I don't know. Put a heart in the freaking comments. I don't care what you do. Just be nice. Be polite, you know? If you guys are talking about something, somebody's asking a question, answer it if you know the answer. We're supposed to be a community here, guys. This was today's video. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.